Okay, so you ready to dive in?
Yeah, let's do it.
This is going to be a wild one. OpenAI's 12 Days of Innovation.
12 days, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they really crammed it all in there. We've got new models, new partnerships, new applications.
Damn controversies.
Yeah, definitely some controversies.
Yeah.
So we're going to break it down, pull out those key takeaways, and really try to give you a good picture of, what they're doing and why it matters.
Well, I think it matters a lot.
No.
This stuff has the potential to change everything.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, well, they kicked things off on day one with their new O3 model.
O3, big claims right out of the gate.
Yeah, they really did. They said it's got, significantly improved reasoning capabilities compared to, what they've had before.
They weren't kidding. Did you see the Winograd Schema Challenge results?
92% higher.
92% higher. Yeah, I mean, that's insane.
It's nuts. For people who don't know, that's a test, designed to measure how well a machine understands language, like complex language.
Like really complex language, the kind of stuff that, even humans trip up on sometimes.
Exactly. So this kind of jump, it's a big deal.
It's a huge deal, especially in the context of AGI, artificial general intelligence.
Right, which has been, the holy grail of AI research forever.
Forever, yeah. And this is like one of the benchmarks they use to see how close we're getting.
So for someone like me, someone who's maybe not a computer scientist, but who uses AI every day, what does this actually mean?
Well, imagine an AI that doesn't just follow your instructions, but actually understands what you mean, what you're trying to achieve.
Sure.
And it can reason through problems, like a human.
Wow.
It could offer solutions, even come up with ideas you haven't thought of.
That's kind of scary, but also kind of cool.
It's both, for sure, but that's the potential here.
Wow. All right, well, day two took a turn towards the creative side of things.
AI and creativity. This is where it gets really exciting, I think.
Yeah, so they showcase a bunch of stuff with DALEA, which is their image generator.
Right, and ChatGPT, the AI chatbot. Those are already huge, by the way.
Huge. Remember that video of the cat playing Beethoven on the piano?
Oh, yeah. That was awesome.
That melody was actually composed by ChatGPT.
Crazy, right. And it's not just about the novelty factor. This is about giving anyone the tools to be creative.
Yeah, you don't have to be a musician or an artist.
Exactly. You could generate a custom illustration for a presentation just by describing it, or write a short story with the help of an AI. The possibilities are kind of endless.
I like it. All right, day three, they went into education.
Ah, yes. Personalized learning. Huge potential there.
Yeah, so they announced these partnerships with a bunch of schools and universities. They're looking at how AI can be used to create these personalized learning experiences.
AI tutors, for example, that could adjust to your learning style, give you personalized feedback, really help you understand the material.
That would be a game changer for so many students.
Right. Imagine a world where everyone learns at their own pace in a way that works for them.
Okay, day four. I think this was maybe the one that got people talking the most.
Oh, yeah. The phone line.
The ChatGPT phone service.
1-800-CHAT-GPT. Who would have thought?
Right. It sounds like a gimmick, but it actually makes AI accessible to, anyone with a phone.
Even people who don't have computers or internet access.
That's huge.
Think about the implications. You could have someone in a remote village calling in for medical advice or getting educational resources.
That's a really good point. Okay, day five got a little more complex. We entered the world of quantum computing.
Yeah, they're starting to dabble in quantum AI.
Yeah, so for anyone who doesn't know, quantum computers, they can process information way faster than regular computers, like exponentially faster.
It's a whole different level. And when you combine that with AI, the possibilities are mind-blowing.
We could be talking about solving problems that are impossible right now. Curing diseases, developing new energy sources, who knows?
It's like opening a door to a whole new universe of possibilities. A little scary, but mostly exciting.
Okay, day six brought us back to Earth. Literally.
Global connectivity. That was the theme.
Right, so they announced a partnership with Starlink, which is, Elon Musk's satellite internet company.
The idea is to use AI to optimize those satellite networks.
And they goal
to provide internet access to everyone, everywhere, even the most remote corners of the world.
Imagine what that could do. Education,
Yeah.
healthcare, economic opportunities. It could level the playing field in a lot of ways.
Absolutely. It's a big vision, but it's one worth striving for.
Day seven hit a little closer to home. Climate change.
Yeah, a lot of people are wondering how AI can help us tackle this massive problem.
Right, and OpenAI had a lot to say about that. They showed how their tools are being used to analyze climate data, model different scenarios,
And hopefully help us find solutions.
solutions that are more effective, more sustainable.
We need all the help we can get, right? And AI could be a powerful tool in this fight.
All right, day 8 was the one that stirred up some controversy.
Yeah, the defense tech angle.
OpenAI announced they're in talks with companies like Palantir and Anduril to potentially bid on defense contracts.
This is tricky territory for sure. AI in the military raises a lot of ethical questions.
Big questions about autonomous weapons, about bias in algorithms, about the potential for things to escalate.
We need to have these conversations. We can't just ignore the potential downsides.
Absolutely. And speaking of downsides, day 9 saw OpenAI addressing some of the recent regulatory actions against them.
Yeah, that fine from Italy was a big deal.
15 million euros. Ouch! They emphasize their commitment to transparency, to ethical AI development.
Which is crucial. As AI gets more powerful, we need to make sure it's being developed and used responsibly.
No doubt. Day 10 was all about their ongoing partnership with Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft's been a big supporter of OpenAI from the beginning.
They announced they're going to be integrating even more OpenAI models into Copilot, which is their AI assistant.
So Copilot's going to get even smarter, even more capable.
It could be your go-to tool for everything from scheduling meetings to writing reports to brainstorming ideas.
It's like having a super-powered assistant by your side all the time.
That's the goal. On day 11, they delved into healthcare.
Healthcare is ripe for disruption, and AI could be the key.
OpenAI's tools are already being used in diagnostics, personalized medicine, even healthcare management.
Imagine a world where AI can help doctors diagnose diseases earlier, personalize treatment plans based on your specific needs, and even streamline healthcare operations.
It could be life-changing. All right, day 12, the grand finale. They gave us a glimpse into the future, more AGI advancements, broader societal impact.
The future's coming at us fast, and AI is going to be a big part of it, whether we like it or not.
So we got to ask, what excites you the most about all this? What scares you? What questions do you have?
It's a conversation we all need to be having. The future of AI is the future of humanity.
Couldn't have said it better myself.